this video, I will show you how to integrate OptinMagic with ActiveCampaign. At first, log into your OptinMagic account. Go to Campaigns. Let's say we want to integrate this campaign with ActiveCampaign. Click on Integration, then click on ActiveCampaign. We need to fill this with API URL and API key. To get the API URL and API key, log into your ActiveCampaign account. For this video, I am using the ActiveCampaign Sandbox account. Go to Settings and click on Developer option. Here are the API URL and API key. Simply copy and paste here. We can see all the list here. Select one, then complete the mapping. And now we have successfully integrated the ActiveCampaign with OptinMagic.